Here's a really good trick. It's brilliant and really simple too. I wish I had done it when I was younger. It adds an extra string to your bow and might even bring in some extra cash for you. The world is truly your lobster. Or is that expression oyster? Well, anyways, if you're willing to put in a lot of work up front, it can be one of those two things. Before we start, though, can you start and help me out by clicking that subscribe button? So hey there, my friends. Today I thought I'd share this little trick. I've seen a bunch of people doing it, and there's no reason you couldn't give it a try. It's great for increasing your brand awareness and building a reputation for yourself. It's really simple. News outlets, papers, radio, and TV are all looking for extra content in today's 24-hour-a-day news cycle. What they really want is some expert opinion, something to bulk out any and every news piece that there is. All you need to do is let them know that you're an expert. The trick for you is to work out which areas you are an expert in, and then find out which journalists are covering those stories and send them a copy of your CV resume and a polite little cover letter, letting them know that you'd be very willing to provide them quotes or an opinion anytime they want it. Once you've sent that email, follow it up with a quick little phone call. Check to make sure they got it. Now here's the next little trick. When you hear of some news that as an expert you have a view on, send them a quick message. Let them know what you think. You want to know what else I'm an expert on? I'm an expert on telling you to once again hit that subscribe button and that little bell up there for notifications. We'll see you next time.